I wanted to show you how to get the fitness wiki up and running. And we're going to, with microservices, we're going to launch these wikis and we're going to actually host them somewhere. But I want to show you kind of what it looks like on your local machine. So Fitnesse is the library that we use to run the fitness tests, but it also has a standalone wiki test runner server built in. So if you give it if you go and launch that jar, and I just happen to have a copy sitting over here, ignore the path, and you can download the Fitnesse standalone jar from their website. Give it the path to where your examples are. The -O tells it not to create a bunch of junk, and give it which port to run on. I'm going to start it up. And so this, I've got some verbose logging going on, but it runs a wiki on port 8080. So now we're going to fire up our web browser and go to our port 80 employee example. You know, if you remember from previously, we had written the fixture, the employee example here in the fixture, and got it all running inside of IntelliJ. Now here we see the actual wiki, and you can come in and edit your tests in here and add more tests using the wiki. If you using this format, for instance, let's just say, let's take this test block and let's make another one, and yeah, let's post that CEO, and then let's give him a VP and a CFO and 2. Now inside the wiki, there's a button. Oh, not in this version. In the newer version, there's a button to just automatically format that. I'm not going to worry about it right now. But I can say, oh, it automatically does. It automatically formats it so it looks nice. You can see that table. And then I can come up here and I can use the test button. I can hit the test button and actually run the tests from the wiki, from Fitnesse. First thing we're going to notice, we have to solve 2 problems in order to make this work. Really, it's just all one problem, is that the fitness jar here doesn't know the class path to all of the different Java classes that we need to actually run the class. So we need to give it to it. And so what we'll do is in the suite setup, let's go over here and edit, we're going to give it the path to 3 things. This is the first thing is going to be the path to your project's output. So here I'm giving you the full path, but the OSVC Xenon starter project that we're creating, we need the path to that so it knows where to find those classes. Second is it doesn't know the test classes aren't in that jar. So we need to give it the path to the test classes that we maybe would builds. And then the last one is we're using some of the Xenon test components. And the Maven plugin automatically kind of puts that in, but here we go with the full path to the Xenon common tests jar from when we compiled and installed that. So we add those 3 things in there. And now when we hit the test button, it takes a little bit longer. And you can see that we actually did start up the Xenon service, and we did run that previous test, and everything worked. And then this one is actually failing. Oh, sure. Here, let's fix that real quick. Manager is employee 0 in this case. When I posted to this, it gave me the minus, which was interesting. I wonder why. Get, manager, post, get, delete, get, that all worked. I expected when I posted this, I would get the same thing. But actually, some sort of error or something occurred. There we go.